Hello everyone, I'm Elaine, EMG Crafter, and welcome to my channel. Happy Halloween Eve. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2019. I dressed for the occasion with my big Halloween earrings, as well as my t-shirt. We're getting a little worn out, not too bad, but it's still hanging in there. I'll get a new shirt soon. And so this video, I just wanted to share some Halloween stitching. I didn't get to complete as much as I wanted. So, like, seriously, like 2 mini projects that I finished. Hey, that's better than nothing, right? So, also, I did want to give a few shout outs because I have been watching the Flosstubers, and there is a 911 Stitcher, Country Stitchers, Fat Quarter Shop, their Flosstube videos. I was already familiar with Fat Quarter Shop because I dabble in quilting and sewing, so I was familiar with them from that. But I've started watching their Flosstube videos, and also Just Stitching Inc., who is Shelly, and I'm up to video 20. And I just have to say, it's her bloopers video, and it's just hilarious. Even in my first, no, I think it was my second video, I added a little bit of blooper reel to the end of it. So it is kind of, you gotta have a sense of humor and laugh at yourself. So it's fun to see that, and that she shared it with everyone. And so, let me show you what I finished and a few purchases that I made. So let's go take a closer look. Okay everyone, I will start with my whips. This is Halloween House Square from Artisy. I started this some time ago. I can't remember. It was in my last video. I think it was last month, but this is how much I got done. Started the border all the way across, and it has, I think, about 12 pages, and I thought, oh, I'll 1 page a week, but it didn't work out that way. And as you can tell, maybe not, I have like 3 needles going, because we have the border, the yellow, and then some black lettering is starting in the pattern. So I am going to put this away until next year. My next whip is, actually it's a purchase and a whip. I purchased this Cross Stitch Halloween 2019 issue of Just Cross Stitch. Chrissy Java Girl Stitches had shown the Welcome to Our Haunted House in one of her videos, and I really liked it, so it inspired me to purchase the pattern. And oh gosh, I had the page marked, but oh, here we go, I found it. So I really like that. I have a finishing idea for this, but I didn't get to finish it, so I'll just make a note to myself. Oh, sorry, forgot to show you. This is 14 count Ada, but this is how much I got done. So what I'm going to do is write up a little note and clip it to here so that I can remember my idea, and we'll see if it changes or not come next year. I might come up with a different idea. So the next thing I purchased is 2 patterns from the Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery. This is Which Better, and it says Which Better Have My Candy. Just thought that was funny. The next one is from Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery, is Welcome to Batty Bakery. I like to bake, and at one point years ago I thought about hey, I really want to have my own bakery, but I don't think so. So it would be a lot of work. Anyway, so baking and Halloween, two things I like. Great combination. So I had to get this pattern, and we'll set that aside until next year. The next pattern I purchased was a Sue Hillis design called Hello Halloween. I have a pickup truck, so when I saw this, I thought this was so cute and fun. Again, combination Halloween and real life. You know, I have a truck, so I had to get that. And also got another Sue Hillis design, The Most Wonderful Fright. Didn't get to start this either, so again, I'll have plenty to stitch for next year, and I will need to start much earlier than I did this year. Anyway, the last thing I purchased was a Haunting Good Time. This is Stony Creek Collection Book 364. As soon as I saw this image, that is what drew me to it, because I love the colors and it's fun and funky. It's just something different and unique. And this is pretty cool too, with Frankenstein like busting out through the photo. So looking forward to stitching those up. And next are my two little FFOs. So this I showed in my last video is a free pattern from V & Company, which I will link in the description below. This is on 14 count Aida. So it's pretty cute. Nice little stitch project. I had this mini plaque, which I bought I think a few months ago, and I thought, oh, I'll get that because I could really, you know, use it for Halloween, and I'm glad I did because this fit perfectly. Took the backing of a paper pad and laced it to this and hot glued it to the wood. Oh, did I mention I painted it with orange acrylic paint, and had some ribbon in my stash and thought it was pretty cute just to hang up somewhere. And my last FFO is this, and this is Scary Apothecary Favorite Brew from Hands On Design. Another free pattern. You can find it on her blog, April 30th, 2019 blog post. And this is on 16 count Aida. My first time stitching on 16 count. Wasn't that bad. A little bit smaller, but thank goodness I can still see it. So I didn't lace, again I used the backing, leftover backing from the back of a paper pad, and I taped the back of it down temporarily, and I did put a magnet on the back of it. And this is a little stand I found at where was that, AC Moore. It's only $1. It was the Halloween clearance section, so that's pretty cute, and it already had this trim on it, so this fit perfectly. And what I did to finish it off, I added some glued some rhinestones to it just to spice it up a bit. And one other thing, this pattern calls for Krynic. I don't have that, so what I found in my stash was, this is DMC metallic embroidery thread. So I finally opened it after all these years. I knew it would come in handy one day. So it's 3 plies. As soon as I opened it, it was already split. And I went to the website, and I think it said it was 3 ply and non-divisible, but I thought, well, that's not true, because when I open it, it's already coming apart. I don't know if you can see that, but that was good because what I did is took one strand of this and one strand of the colored DMC floss and did these little sparkly trails. I was just going to do it in the color that it was called for, make it plain, but I'm not sure if you can see the sparkle of those, but it sparkles. So if you don't have access to Kreinik, this may be another option you can find at the craft store. I think I saw, well actually they do have, oh, what are they called? The DMC, like this, but sparkly. Skein, I think that's skeins of sparkle floss. So, like I said, this was going to be a quick floss tube, probably the shortest one out there, but that's okay. I just wanted to share what I have been stitching, and hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.